Táid go léir bailithe an seo óstán Barcan Crocaigh le haghaidh Lanshaw Ifigúil a season of Sundays. Seo an 9 uair is fiche agus caiimiid ard mulla a thart do Ray McManus agus fuireann Sportsfile ar fad a sucht cnúsach eile den céad sco a rís is a rís eile agus an ard caiidán Green Daffodor ar fáil Mardas Gná agus na címlínte den bliana atá thart. Foiil sin sé an leabhar seo le takeíocht na thuairithirí chuilimh líon agus tá mé ceapa go bhfuil cóptain leabhar seo I futhafáda na tithe ar fud na tíre aine bhfuil sim orthug in our gluichí.
Believe it or not, over the 29 years it has got considerably easier. The advent of digital has helped us dramatically. Now, for the book, we would start probably on the 1st of February and we would take January as a block, pick out each job number, search each job number and identify usually one, possibly two pictures, and there's only one going to make it. Back on the 4th of January this year, we had the Clare and the Tipperary manager, both, dare I say it, no hopers in January, and yet one of them comes out and wins the All-Ireland. And it's just a simple picture of two managers talking. And to me, that's ultimately what GAA is about in a way.
Cápéis hóseilta go fíorainneach agus gach bliain féan túil dheargus ar ceirmhíad na buachcuintí gan bliain sin, ceirmhíad na rudaí a bhí táhachtach, ceirmhíad na rudaí a neathaí a bhaim ar winsear na tíre, agus maiallar sin ibriann sé ar gach leibhéal. Agus ní chreidse an uire daoine atá stíos sa leor seo, den na mílte daoine is í an ar ecann tú beidir splancí bagad den scafte, agus daoine ag buin soltas, daoine ag cíniú, na nómadí díreach inné don adó geirí a bheith séid sí gach rud curtha le chéile ó club agus conde, mrá, fir, teaghlaí, gach rud istí sa leor seo.
I rang the guy who designs this, Pater Staunton, a Mayo man living in Tralee. He said to me, yeah, and what would you call it? Well, I said, maybe a season of Sundays. Like, it was just like that. Now, ever since, people have slagged me now and said it should be a season of Sundays, Mondays and Tuesdays. But, you know, that's what it was at the start.